I am so excited to be talking about something that I'm really good at now that I used to not be good at: laundry.
Before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button. Now let's tackle some laundry. If I could only give you one piece of advice about doing laundry, it's to do one small load every single day. Here's a good example of what it looks like when you do laundry every single day and when you do not do laundry every single day. If you have humans living in your house who are able to effectively use a smartphone, then they can also use a washing machine. Have everybody else do their own laundry. When you're in a rush, use the quick cycle, the speed cycle, and don't worry about separating your clothes. I promise nothing terrible is going to happen. I am really big on rewarding myself. So after I throw a load of laundry in, I go get a cup of coffee. That's just kind of how it's become a habit for me. I get a reward after I do my little chore. Don't overthink this. Just transfer the clothes from the washing machine into the dryer whenever you get a chance. My clothes usually sit in the washing machine for a few hours because I'm busy and I'm working. So when I'm done, I put the clothes in the dryer. And I love these little dryer balls because they help fluff up all of your clothes, and I put little essential oils on it and it smells lovely. So using the dryer balls is what I use instead of dryer sheets, and I never really have any issues with static electricity. Even though this video makes it look like I'm spending all day in the laundry room, I'm not. It's only minutes out of my day to put things in the washing machine, to put things in the dryer, and then to get things out of the dryer, hang them up as I get them out of the dryer. It's just faster that way. And then I get all of my clothes, I go sit in front of the TV whenever I am ready to do so, and I fold the laundry. Since it's a pretty small load, it takes me probably under a minute to fold all of the clothes. Okay, this is super important for me. If I don't get up and put the laundry away immediately after folding it, it will sit there for a long time. So I immediately put it away, and yes, I timed myself. It only took me 60 seconds to put all the laundry away.
So that silly little bow at the end, that is also being intentional. Pat yourself on the back. Tell yourself you did a good job, even if it's something as little or routine as doing the laundry.
Bottom line, if you spend minutes doing your laundry, you don't have to spend days doing your laundry. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, and I will see you in the next video.
Got some laundry over there, which I find ironic.